Hey guys, welcome back. So it's actually been about a year since I started documenting my drifting progress. So at this mark, I wanted to jump back in and try and remake that first video I did with the World Drift Tour Street AE86. So we're back in, obviously, that car around the default drift track. I don't know how this is going to go because I have not driven these cars for a long period of time. So maybe I haven't improved at all. But with that, let's jump in and have a look. Alright, reset the camera. Back in the AE86. Oh, always spin in the car park. I forget how slippery these cars are. The front feels different. So we'll just hold second. Yeah, it's interesting. They drive different to the other cars now that I've kind of been exploring other packs. Can I hold it? And I forget the like they're slippery, but this car is low powered too. Try and keep it out wide. Just cut the grass, just keep it going. Don't let the track affect the drift. Oh, way too far then. So I still fail at the donut at least, that's consistent. Get it out close to the tyres, nowhere near it. Alright, let's try third. Can't even hold the third gear drift in this now. Come on! Stick it! Alright, let's see. Pretty sure I spun off here in the first video. Oh, almost been shifted third. Big flip. Alright. Turn around and go the other way. I honestly don't think I've really gotten any better in this car over a year. I've gotten better with other cars, but not these ones. Third. Handbrake, keep it going. Second. Just holding it flat. Just over the donut. Come on, second. No, I'm gonna spin. I just don't want to lift off because I know this car doesn't have the power. Just hold second flat. Almost stuffed that up completely. Alright. Let's see if we can do third. Keep third going for the inside. Yeah, there we go. Back out. Just flat third. Pretty sure I ran into this wall as well at some point. But I'm going to run out of power. Third flat. Can I hold third around here? I'm on the wrong angle. Meant to do that and get back in second. Alright, let's try third around the outside. One third. Big flick again. Gonna do a backy, not in this car. So I don't necessarily think my driving's improved at all, but I'm a lot more confident and kind of just a bit more comfortable with what to do in different situations. So that's probably what's changed the most over the year. And some of the, like this is one of the easier car packs, apparently. But definitely spending time with the Death Wish garage cars kind of thing. It's made my driving have to change. Into the wall. Into the bumper. Which, I don't know, makes these cars feel a bit funny to drive now. They don't respond the same, and they're definitely just way too slippery. But it's still fun, and I still want to find a new A86 mod that's nicer to drive. Oh, slide into the wall. So yes, have I improved? This video is really not demonstrating it, but more, like I said, more confidence in just throwing the car in, and more confidence of trying to use the handbrake and braking to try and position the car more where I want it to go. So we'll see if we can just finish this inside lap off. I do like low powered cars where you just hold it flat. Oh, I stuffed that up. Just try and get speed up and throw the car in and hold that momentum. And the Death Wish garage cars had some of them around that 300 horsepower mark. I really want, say, the Death Wish garage equivalent of an 8086. Come on, hold in third. We're going to run out of power. There we go. Yeah, so that's kind of what a year's done to my driving. Like I said, not really improved, but just built confidence. So next, I do want to move on to trying to do tandems now. So there'll probably be some videos eventually of trying servers with AI first, just to try and get used to it. But yeah, tandems is definitely where I want to head with that. Thanks for watching, guys.